All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about that sales rep who said, we're a green roofing company. All right, everyone. So what we're talking about today is whether or not you can recycle asphalt shingles. So there's been a huge push in America and the whole world, in the last, I'd say 20 years to move towards more sustainable, more green solutions to our problems, right? And it's not all inherently bad. You do want to take care of Mother Earth. You want to do anything possible to minimize your impact if you can. And so as a result, a lot of companies have jumped on this human instinct to do the right thing. And they're kind of selling you a false dream that you're doing something that's environmentally sustainable when replacing your roof. So if you've ever replaced your roof or you've gotten a quote from a company and they've said, we recycle our shingles or we're a green company, quite frankly, they're probably blowing smoke up your hiney. There is about 98% of shingles that are removed from roofs wind up in landfills, and that's nationwide. So even in states that have more green policies, like say Colorado or California, New York, there's no market to recycle shingles. So the hope was that we would be able to take the asphalt from shingles, recycle them, use that for roads, use that for other roofing products, create recycled roofing materials. But the crux of it is that it takes more energy, more time, more money to recycle these things and turn them into viable products than it does to get new materials and create new asphalt shingles from those raw materials. So as a result, if a company is trying to sell you on a higher price, or their whole sales persona to you is that they're a company that cares about the environment, it's green, they're sustainable. There might be some things that they're doing where they try to minimize pollution or something like that, but they're not recycling the shingles. It's a sales tactic, and quite frankly, it's just not true. So if you are someone who is very environmentally conscious and you need to replace your roof, you have to understand that in today's world, we just don't have the technology to make recycling shingles viable yet. And so as a result, your shingles will be going into a landfill. So if you guys learned something from this video today, please consider giving us a follow on TikTok, on LinkedIn, on Facebook. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. And if you like this kind of content, you can always hop over to our YouTube page and give us a subscription there. Also, while you're there, hit that thumbs up bell. It really helps us out with the algorithm. So I hope you guys have a great day.